Hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. Here I want to show you how to buy Chainlink very fast, simple and with low trading fees. This we will do on the crypto exchange Binance. Binance is the biggest crypto exchange in the world right now, and it also has the lowest trading fees of only 0.1%. And if you use the link in the video description at the registration, you save another 20% on trading fees, so that you actually pay 0.08%. Then you deposit some money, and now you only have to type in the amount you want to invest in Chainlink, and then the last thing will be that you click here on buy Chainlink. How you do that step by step I will show you now. At first you click the link in the video description, and then you come to this registration page. There you just type in your email address and choose a password. Also the 20% trading fee discount is automatically activated. Then you click create account, and after you will get an activation code in your email account. This you use in the next step to activate your account. And then you can log in at Binance, go to the dashboard, and from the dashboard you can click here in the menu and then on identification. The identity verification is only needed if you want to deposit some fiat money like euro, British pound or Australian dollars. If you just deposit Bitcoin to buy Chainlink, you don't need to do that. But yes, most people want to use fiat money, so just do identity verification. There you just click here on verify. Then there will be a step-by-step guide where you just type in some information, upload your ID, and that's it. Also you have to do address verification. This is also very simple. Just click here on verify, and after this both things are done, you can start depositing some fiat money. Therefore you just click here on buy crypto and then on bank deposit. Here you just choose your options, like what currency you want to transfer, what payment method you want to use. You can use bank transfer or your credit card. And after you just type in the amount you want to transfer to Binance. For example, 500 euros. You see that you at the moment pay 0 fees. And your limit is at 200,000 euros, what is really high. Then you click on continue, and after you will get the bank details where you should do the bank transfer to. So after 1 or 2 business days the money should arrive. You can also deposit some crypto, therefore you just click instead of fiat here on crypto. And there you just choose the coin you want to deposit, and after you get the address where you should send your Bitcoin to. After you can start buying crypto, therefore we just click here on buy crypto and then on cash balance. Here you see the amount that is available on your Binance account. For example, I have 500 euros available in my Binance account, and now I only have to choose the right coin I want to invest in, for example Chainlink. Therefore you just search for link, click on it, and now you see at the left side that here there is the link chart in US dollars. And now you only have to type in the amount you want to invest. For example, 500 euros. You see how much Chainlink you would get, and then you only have to click on buy link. If you want to buy Chainlink with Bitcoin, you just go here to wallet and then on fiat and spot. Here you search for Chainlink, and then you click here on trade. And now you see all the trading pairs which you can use to buy Chainlink. For example, you can buy Chainlink with Australian dollars, you can buy Chainlink with Bitcoin, you can buy Chainlink with Ethereum. There are a lot of choices, If you want to buy Chainlink with Bitcoin, just click here on link and Bitcoin. Now you come to the trading view where you can buy Chainlink with Bitcoin. Here you see that you choose the right trading pair. And if this is right, you just scroll down a little bit, click here on market order. This means your order will be filled immediately. And here you just type in the amount you want to invest in Chainlink. If you don't know how much you can invest, you can also use this little slide, and here you can choose the amount, how much of your Bitcoin you want to spend on Chainlink. So for example 50%, then it will automatically choose 50% of your Bitcoins to buy Chainlink. After, you only click on buy link and your order will immediately be filled and you have your Chainlink in your spot wallet. That's it. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to use the link in the video description to save 20% on trading fees at the registration, and have a nice day. Bye.